Welcome to the VirtualX MasterClass podcast, your gateway to excellence in education, powered by Dragon Alexa. I'm your host, a dedicated physical sciences educator for grades 10 to 12. Joining me today is our guest, an equally passionate educator in physical sciences. Together, we are here to walk you through the Physical Sciences Grade 10 Complete course, designed to inspire and prepare you for academic success and beyond. Why should you choose to study physical sciences? Physical sciences unlock the mysteries of the physical world, helping us understand how things work, from the tiniest particles to the vast forces that shape our universe. By mastering this subject, you'll develop problem-solving skills, critical thinking, and an appreciation of the natural and technological world. Whether your dream is to explore engineering, environmental science, or medicine, Grade 10 Physical Sciences lays the foundation for your success.
That's absolutely true. Physical sciences isn't just a subject, it's a mindset. It empowers you to ask questions, seek answers, and connect theory to real-world applications. This course is your first step towards exploring the exciting possibilities of science.
Now let's talk about how VirtualX MasterClass can help you achieve your goals. Our program stands out because of its structured approach and personalized learning experience. Here's what makes us unique. Expert guidance. Learn from experienced physical sciences educators who simplify complex concepts. Interactive lessons. Our lessons are engaging and filled with practical examples to deepen your understanding. Flexible learning. Study anytime, anywhere with resources designed for self-paced learning.
And don't forget, our platform integrates cutting-edge tools like Dragon Alexa, ensuring you stay on top of your learning journey. With VirtualX MasterClass, you'll never feel lost or overwhelmed.
Let's dive into the course structure, broken into 6 modules. Each module is thoughtfully designed to build your knowledge step by step. Module 1, Mechanics. In this module, we explore vectors, scalars, and motion in one dimension. You'll learn how forces interact and understand energy conservation principles. For example, what happens when you throw a ball into the air? This module will help you decode the forces behind everyday actions. Module 2, Waves, Sound, and Light. Discover the science of waves. From understanding sound vibrations to exploring the electromagnetic spectrum, this module connects theory to the practical world, like how ultrasound is used in medicine. Module 3, Electricity and Magnetism. Here we cover everything from magnetic fields to electric circuits. By the end of this module, you'll know how a simple circuit powers devices and how magnetism drives innovation in technology. Module 4, Matter and Materials. Dive into the fascinating world of atoms, molecules, and chemical bonding. You'll revisit foundational concepts and explore how materials are used in modern applications, from building bridges to crafting gadgets. Module 5, Chemical Change. Unravel the mysteries of chemical reactions and stoichiometry. Learn how to balance equations and explore the role of chemistry in real-world phenomena like combustion and corrosion. Module 6, Chemical Systems. In the final module, you'll study water systems and chemical interactions that impact our environment, like pollution and sustainability practices. This module ties physical sciences to critical global challenges. What's exciting about this course is how seamlessly each module connects to the next. For instance, once you grasp the mechanics in Module 1, you'll find it easier to understand forces at work in electricity and magnetism in Module 3.
That's right. Our goal is to create a cohesive learning journey. Every topic builds on the last, ensuring a deeper understanding of physical sciences.
By the end of this course, you'll have mastered the fundamental principles of physical sciences, gained problem-solving skills applicable in STEM fields, prepared yourself for success in grade 11 and future academic endeavors.
Whether you dream of becoming an engineer, scientist, or innovator, this course is your launchpad. The knowledge you gain here will open doors to exciting careers and help you make a difference in the world.
Ready to take the first step towards your success story? Join the Physical Sciences Grade 10 VirtualX MasterClass today. Sign up at www.virtualx.tv. Remember, this isn't just a course. It's your opportunity to unlock your potential. Together, let's shape the future with science.
VirtualX MasterClass is your gateway to excellence in education, powered by Dragon Alexa. Don't wait. Start your journey now. Thank you for tuning in to the VirtualX MasterClass podcast. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep learning. VirtualX MasterClass, your gateway to excellence in education, powered by Dragon Alexa. www.dragonalexa.com